resistance. No resistance. All glow plugs are finished. Totally broken. Suck this nut. Oh yeah. Don't lose this. Working on the street. Street mechanic. This is street mechanic shows. Not like that. Oil everywhere. Okay. Be careful, not falling inside. Only use this best product. This pro mechanic shows. Oh. Broken! Oh no! Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh no. Broken. Finished. Broken. Old. New. New old. Perfect. Last one. Last piece. This is perfect for dirty jobs. Oh yeah. Clean it well. Good. Good. Now try to start. Now the lamp is much longer on. After the air is out, try it again. Starting immediately, smoothly. Very good for cutting or milking a cow. Feel it well.